What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send Solana from your Phantom wallet to Bullx Neo. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Bullx Neo account, you will be on your homepage right here. So to send over some Solana, you would need to go on the left hand side menu right here, and on this menu go ahead and select the wallet manager option right here. Now, once you're on your Wallet Manager tab, you just need to make sure that you're on the Solana network. And you can see that in the upper right corner, just like this. Solana network needs to be highlighted. So once you're sure that you're on the Solana network, you can click on your main wallet right here. And then on this menu right here, you can click Add Funds right here. Once you clicked Add Funds, you can either scan this QR code right here if you have Phantom on your phone, but for this example, we'll be sending over some Solana from our Phantom wallet extension right here to our Bullx Neo wallet. So for that, we would need to copy our public address right here, the Bullx Neo account address, and then open up your Phantom wallet. Once you opened up your Phantom wallet, you would need to click on the Solana option right here and then select Send right here. Once you did that, you would need to paste the address that we copied right here and input the amount of Solana that you would like to transfer from Phantom to Bullx Neo. Now, if this message pops up, it's just because you don't have any funds on your Bullx Neo account. So that's completely normal. Now, let's just input the amount of Solana that we want to send. Let's say 0.01 and click Next. Once you click the Next, here is how the transaction will look like. So if this looks alright to you, the network fee, you can go ahead and click Send. And now the funds have been sent to our Bullx Neo account. So let's see if they arrived. And there we go. Here we can see that 0.01 Solana has arrived to our Bullx Neo account. And you can also see this right here under your primary wallet. So that's guys how you can send over some Solana from your Phantom wallet to the Bullx Neo platform. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.